everyone, всем привет! Welcome to my channel, Alice Yummy Food. Добро пожаловать! I'm so happy to have you here, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing almond gluten-free cupcakes. They are so moist, so fluffy, so delicious, absolutely my favorite, and gluten-free completely. Now let's get baking. This recipe is so easy. We're going to put everything into our blender. First you want to add your gluten-free oats. Then I'm using almond butter. You can also use any other butter that you like. Then you want to add your ripened bananas. Make sure they're ripe. Add your eggs. Then flaxseed. I'm using ground. Vanilla extract and almond extract. Baking soda and powder. Honey. And you're going to blitz everything together. You want to blitz this until the mixture starts to come into a smooth sort of consistency, just like so. If you need to help with your spatula or anything just to go inside and make sure everything is blended, just do that. But generally this doesn't take very long, couple of minutes and you're done. So now your batter is done. It should look just like this. It will be very creamy and liquidy, just like so. Now I absolutely love adding white chocolate inside, and I usually add chopped chocolate and white chocolate chips. It's up to you. You can use both or just one, there is no difference. And there we go, our mixture is done. Over here I've prepared my baking tray and lined it with some parchment paper for my muffin molds. And I'm usually adding about 1 large tablespoon and a half into each muffin case. Now you want to fill them about 2/3 of the way, as they are going to rise a little bit, so we don't want to overfill them. So once you've done your muffins, you can also use a piping bag if you wanted a cleaner pipe, so you could just pipe them right inside and make it very clean. However, I'm doing it all by hand with a spoon, just like so. Lastly, you want to add your white chocolate chips, just like that. We do love our chocolate. And we're going to bake these for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven. And once they're done, they smell so good. You will see that they will brown on top, and they will puff up a little bit, and they will just look so inviting and appetizing. You want to take them out from the mold and cool them down, and usually if you're not sure, you can check with a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, they're done. But do leave them to cool down first before attempting to eat them, as they need to set. And I'm just gonna show you how it looks inside. It's very moist and it's so fluffy. They're absolutely delicious. I really love them. It's just the banana makes it so soft, you can't taste the banana, and the flavor is just fantastic. Look at that. It's making me hungry right now. They were so soft, so delicate, and literally melt in your mouth. I really hope you try these, and I can't wait to see your little creations. And feel free to add any other spices in there, cinnamon, nutmeg, and anything else that you like. I just love the addition of white chocolate chips. As you can see here, they literally melt in your mouth. So yummy.